In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function minus 3x times exponential of 8x. Let us integrate the function minus 3x times exponential of 8x. As a matter of fact, the function we have to integrate is a product of an exponential function and a polynomial function. The method appropriate in this case is the integration by parts. Let us recall the integration by parts method. The integral of u dv is equal to u times v, minus the integral of v du. Then, we set u equal to minus 3x, and du equals minus 3 dx. And, dv equals to exponential of 8x dx, and v equals to 1 over 8 times exponential of 8x. Thus, the integral of minus 3x times exponential of 8x dx is equal to uv minus, the integral of v du. When we replace u, v, and du, by their corresponding values, we see that, the integral of minus 3x times exponential of 8x dx is equal to minus 3x over 8 times exponential of 8x minus, the integral of minus 3 over 8 times exponential of 8x dx. The integral is equal to minus 3x over 8 times exponential of 8x, minus 3 over 64 times exponential of 8x, plus a constant c. As a result, the integral of minus 3x times exponential of 8x dx is equal to minus 3x over 8 times exponential of 8x, plus 3 over 64 times exponential of 8x, plus a constant c. Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus videos covering limits, derivatives, series, integration, and many other calculus-related topics such as probability and differential equations.